Hi, I'm Amanda with the Nutrition Insider, and today I'm here with...
Starr Edwards from Bitchin Sauce.
What makes your sauce bitchin?
In California, bitchin is the word that you use when you're having like a super stoked day.
Can you describe like a specific scenario where you just turn to your friend and you're like, this is bitchin?
A nice walk by the lagoon.
Frozen margarita, your toes in the sand.
Yeah. Frozen margarita, toes in the sand, nice sets rolling in. You find $1 on the street, like that's pretty bitchin.
When you're driving and all the lights are green.
That's
bitchin.
Windows down. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Bitchin Sauce?
Yes, Bitchin Sauce is the American condiment. It's made from almonds and everything good that grows in California. Bitchin Sauce is a dip, spread, smother. It's got all the good things, like it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's everything that you want it to be, but it also just tastes really good. And that's the main thing, I guess. Bitchin Sauce tastes good. That's my sentence.
Bitchin Sauce is good. What was like going on in your head at the time and just kind of the story of Bitchin Sauce?
I was 16 when I made this product. When I was 21, I had a 1-year-old child and I had to take care of him, as you do. Basically, I was like, I'm gonna be a private chef. This is gonna be amazing. It's gonna give me the freedom to go and work on my own terms. My great idea was like, I was gonna go to the farmers markets and they're going to taste my delicious samples of all my great vegan delicacies and they're gonna hire me. But basically, I just brought the sauce there and it was shocking because people were like, I will just pay you money and I will take this from you. I was like, this is kind of amazing. It was so fun because it was like, okay, you know, we brought 8 to the first market and then the next market was like, here's 15. Can we sell 15 sauces? And then it was like 30 sauces. And then it was like 100 sauces, 500 sauces.
1,000,000 sauces.
Now it's literally, it is like a thing where I'm like, there's like 30 sauces a minute being sold. And that to me is insane.
That is so cool.
Insane because of how hard it was to sell those first 30 sauces at the farmer's market. Not hard, but you know, you're there, you're earning it, and yeah, it's been really very, very fun. Thank you.
I buy it like every week. I think I'm the only one that eats it in the house, but that's okay. If I could like drink it, I'd probably would.
So how did you come up with the name Bitchin Sauce?
That was an accident. Basically, I was like, oh, I was like, awesome sauce? Is that a thing? But I had at least the foresight to Google it and be like, is this taken? It was definitely taken. And then I just looked it up in Google. It's like words like awesome, and it was just alphabetical. It was like awesome bitchin'. I was like, yeah, bitchin'.
Giving people a chance to say bitchin' too, just in everyday life. So
there's a lot of great pop culture with bitchin'. I don't know if you guys have watched like what is it, Stranger Things?
Bitchin'. Yeah, bitchin'.
Are there any sketchy ingredients hiding in mainstream sauces that you want to alert consumers about?
Anything that's like a gum. There's a lot of weird sugars. There's a lot of weird starches. You can add a lot of things to do things in a sauce. I highly suggest against that. Like, I think that you get the stuff from your pantry, make it like your grandma would, and that's the best thing you can do, right? Have real food.
So what do you see for the future of Bitchin Sauce?
I don't know. Are you laughing? The most immediate future is probably going to be like a nice little group hang, probably some pizza. We're happy to be here with our friends. My favorite part of being here is feeding people, which is actually a very good thing. Very noble.
It's very bitchin' of you. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. Have a good rest of your day and stay bitchin'.
Thank you.